Almost every man overlooks something important, even though it matters far more than he realizes. And interestingly, it's something women silently value, even if they rarely talk about it openly. Curious? Think about it for a moment. You've probably seen men who seem to have everything going for them. They're attractive, confident, maybe even financially and socially successful. Yet somehow, they still struggle to build deep and meaningful connections with women. Something just feels off, and they can't figure out why. The truth is, attraction is not built only on looks, money, or status. What many men fail to notice are the small and subtle behaviors that leave a lasting emotional impact. These are not loud or flashy gestures. They are quiet but powerful actions that often go unnoticed, yet they shape the way a woman truly feels about you. In this video, I'm going to reveal some of those hidden desires women experience but rarely express directly. These are not the usual dating tips you hear everywhere. They are rooted in psychology and timeless human behavior. And when you truly understand them, they can completely change the way women see and respond to you. Now imagine this for a second. What if you could connect with a woman on a level that even she doesn't fully understand herself? What if you could naturally stand out without chasing her, without over-explaining yourself, and without constantly trying to prove your worth, simply by knowing how to make her feel emotionally safe, valued, and understood? That alone would immediately place you ahead of most men. Here's the uncomfortable reality. If you don't understand these deeper principles, you're already at a disadvantage. You may lose an attraction that could have turned into something meaningful. You may miss a connection that would have stayed in her mind long after you were gone. That's why understanding this matters so much. And once these ideas truly sink in, especially the final one, the way you see attraction and relationships will never be the same again. Before we continue, a quick request. If you genuinely want to learn and apply these ideas in your own life, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Inside Her Heart, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. It may seem like a small thing, but it helps more than you think. Your support allows me to continue creating content that can truly change the way people understand relationships and emotional connection. Now let's move into the first idea, something most men seriously underestimate: the silent power of physical touch before intimacy. Picture this. You're on a date. The atmosphere feels right. The conversation flows naturally, and both of you are laughing and enjoying the moment. But deep down, something still feels incomplete. She's there, she's listening, yet emotionally she hasn't fully opened up. Later you take her home, send her a message afterward, and then nothing. No reply. Just silence. This is the moment where many men unknowingly lose momentum. A lot of men assume attraction is built only through words. They focus on being funny, telling interesting stories, or trying to impress her with what they say. But the reality is, women don't connect only through conversation. They connect through emotion, through the energy you bring, and most importantly, through how they feel in your presence. One of the most overlooked ways to build that feeling is through calm, intentional physical touch. Not something rushed or needy, and definitely not something forced. It has to feel natural, respectful, and genuine. Even the smallest gesture, when done with sincere intention, can completely shift the emotional tone between two people. A gentle touch on her shoulder, a warm, lingering hug, or a calm, reassuring gesture at the right moment can create a feeling words often cannot. These simple actions communicate far more than people realize. For many women, emotional safety carries even more weight than physical attraction. Non-sexual physical touch sends a quiet message without needing words. It tells her that you respect her boundaries and that she can relax around you. That sense of comfort is what allows real intimacy to grow naturally. This isn't about using perfect techniques or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about being present, moving slowly, and genuinely paying attention to her reactions. When you create an environment where she feels appreciated instead of pressured, everything begins to flow naturally. The men who truly stand out are not the ones trying to rush or control these moments. They allow things to unfold naturally. They stay calm, grounded, and aware of the situation. They understand that real connection develops in an atmosphere of peace and emotional comfort. And when you carry yourself with that calm confidence and intentional energy, you naturally become someone she feels safe around, someone she's drawn to without you having to chase or force anything. What makes this even more powerful is that it works on a level most people don't consciously notice. When a woman feels emotionally safe and comfortable with you, her guard naturally lowers without you needing to convince her of anything. That comfort isn't created through dramatic gestures or over-the-top behavior. It's built through consistency and small, respectful actions. The way you sit, the way you listen, the way you respond to her energy, all of it matters. Intentional physical touch, when it feels natural, strengthens that emotional safety. It shows confidence without aggression and interest without pressure. The key is awareness. You need to notice how she responds. Does she lean closer? Does she relax around you? Or does she pull away? Respecting those signals is what separates a man who understands connection from one who is only trying to impress. Patience also plays a huge role. Many men rush because they fear losing the moment, but genuine attraction grows when there is no pressure. When you slow down and remain fully present, you create space for authentic feelings to develop. That is what makes the connection feel real, memorable, and different from what she usually experiences. Another important factor is emotional awareness. Many men focus only on what they are doing, but true connection comes from understanding what she is feeling in each moment. When you pay close attention, you notice subtle shifts in her mood, body language, and energy. This allows you to respond naturally instead of guessing or forcing interactions. That emotional awareness makes your presence feel calm, stable, and emotionally grounded, something many women rarely encounter. It's also important to understand that restraint is attractive. Not reacting impulsively, not rushing physical closeness, and not trying to force intimacy too quickly creates a sense of confidence and self-control. When your actions are slow and intentional, they feel more genuine. It shows that you are not driven by desperation, but by clarity and emotional control. Over time, these small moments begin to build trust. Trust turns into comfort, and comfort opens the door to deeper attraction. When a woman feels she can fully relax around you without pressure, she begins to associate your presence with emotional peace, and that feeling stays with her long after you leave, making your presence far more powerful than any clever words you could ever say.